Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this whole doggy set of toys and I want to show you guys everything that it came with here. My little dog is running around. If she comes by, I will pick her up and show you her. She's tiny, like 4.5 pounds. Okay, so we got we have 6 sets of doggy poop bags. I have so many of these for some reason, okay? And then we have 2 of the doggy bag, dispensers, I guess you call it. So that you put the bags in there and then they dispense them out of there. So 2 of those. We've got this little bone here with a Squeaky in it. She still doesn't come over even with the Squeaky. We have a banana Squeaky. Ooh, what's this one here? I don't even know what this is. But she'll probably like chewing on this because she likes all this rubber stuff. She likes chewing on these rubber things that's got little rubber feet and whatnot. Kind of stands up. She loves these rope things, man. Holy cow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's sweet. 6, 7. 7 different little rope things. We have this one here, which has a little rubber biter thing in the middle of it, so that'll be good for teething. She does have a ball that looks just like this. That's funny. She loves this ball. She does. She chases it around. Well, actually, we throw it, and then she goes and runs after it. 2 of the little spiky balls. Ooh, that squeak. Oh, there she is. Come here, Penny. Come here. You want to see it? And then this one here. Ooh, this one here's sweet, too. Look at that. It makes noise when I do that. And then here, with the little logo of the brand on it. And then here, like a Frisbee, that squeaks. Come here, Penny. Come here, you want it? Come on. I don't know if she's going to come or not. She's a little timid right now. She's coming, but she's not coming very much. You want to come see it? She ran away, but you get the idea. So that's the whole kit that comes in here. And so that's everything. Thumbs up.